another production day. I'm so excited that I cannot even control my excitement. I'm going to teach you how to make your baby wipes at home. One good thing about this video is that you get to know everything that is inside your baby wipes. Yes, everything. I don't have to complain of, oh, my baby has nappy rash. No, no more nappy rash. Let's dig it out. Dig it out. This is the production table. I play a lot. So let me introduce the materials we'll be using for this production. My essential oil. This essential oil has lavender and vanilla in it. I'm so obsessed with mixing oil. I don't get satisfied using one oil. I bought it from the local market. And this is my cold pressed coconut oil I made in my last video. I'll be dropping the link in my description box. So this one is my Chico baby oil. Why we're using this oil is because we need our baby wipes to be moisturizing. And of course, you can't go wrong when you add your baby soap, liquid. This is Chico liquid soap. You can use any liquid soap of your choice. Any liquid soap you have at home is fine. And this is our boiled water. But the best for the production is distilled water. So we couldn't get distilled water, but this is DIY. We use what we have to create valuables. So this is my boiled water. I boiled water and allowed it to cool down. This is my familiar kitchen paper. Yes, and I'll be mixing my ingredients here, and this is where the baby wipes will be. So let's move on to action. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to measure out your tissue so it's in line with the container. So this is our kitchen paper towel we cut into two. This kitchen paper towel is not your ordinary toilet paper. It's a bit hard in texture and it's not fluffy when you cut it. We fit it into our container. This is where we'll be putting all our ingredients into. Starting with our water, our boiled water. We'll measure out 2 cups of water. Use the normal measuring cup. Don't mind my measuring jug. I'll be putting the measurements and ingredients in the description box. Next, I'll add my Chico baby oil. Remember, you can add any baby oil of your choice. I love putting extra because I love my baby wipes coming out so moisturized. Next, I'll add my coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil we made from the last video. You can't go wrong with extra oil in your baby wipes because it helps to moisturize any part of the baby's body you are wiping it with. So, but the appropriate measurements and ingredients will be in my description box. Next is our Chico baby soap. Our Chico baby soap here will help to cleanse any part of the body you're using these wipes for. Do not add too much soap so that your wipes will not come out too soapy. Next, we add our essential oil, lavender and vanilla. Wow, I love this combination. This will give it the nice fragrance that you want. Stir and pour into the kitchen paper towel. Turn it over for it to mix properly. And voila, your baby wipes is ready. Testing time. Please, if you enjoyed this video, do well to hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. Thank you. Bye.